Okay, I am back. I am so sorry that I didn't do a, what was it, 12 DPO, 13 DPO pregnancy test. Basically, I was working and I just literally got so worried. Basically what happened was I took a pregnancy test at 11 DPO, like you guys saw, and it was positive, and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing, because with my other pregnancies, if ever I had like hello. So if ever I had a positive and it was actually a chemical pregnancy, it would be like a lot lighter to begin with, and then it sort of just carried on being that darkness and then eventually just faded back to a negative, and then I would start bleeding. So this pregnancy I have really high hopes for, because if I show you guys, so I've taken one at 11 DPO, 12 DPO, 13 DPO. Matt did a digital pregnancy test all by himself and then FaceTimed it to me, which was amazing. I was so happy. I literally couldn't look at another negative digital. I was so disappointed when that first negative digital came along, because with my other pregnancy, that was like a clear indication that things weren't really going very right for me, and my HCG levels weren't going past sort of like 25-50. So I will show you the tests, and then I'm going to take a first response at 14 DPO. AF is due today, hasn't turned up yet, so I'm hoping that it won't. So this is the line progression. 11 DPO is at the top. As you can see, it is a lot darker. It's doubled between sort of there and here. I'd say almost more than doubled. So without further ado, we are going to test. I'm doing a sit down video for you rather than just testing and running away and taking it to work. Another thing I need to say as well, these videos will not be going up when I'm doing it. So I found out I was pregnant on the 17th of April and it is now the 20th of April. Yeah, so we've actually got something, not me and Matt or the boys, but we've got some like family thing going on at the moment, and I can't post it right now. So I'm really sorry guys, but when you see this, it's not gonna be when you think it is. Okay, so dip for 5. That line coming up already. Now this is one of the things that's actually worrying me about this pregnancy, is that the line progression is quite slow, although I know you have to wait like 2 minutes for the pregnancy test to actually develop, but when I was pregnant before, like it literally came up like straight away, like blazing, almost like took the ink away from the control line. So I will be testing for the next few days. I've got these. Really hope that this is okay, because I don't know, I've never really had this problem before. Maybe I'm going to take an answer, because I don't know, the line just seems to be coming up really slowly. I don't know if it's me just being really impatient. This is the answer. I don't know, am I just really impatient? Hi ladies, okay, so I've taken Harry to school and I'm back. I'm still 14 DPO. I've re-looked at the test and it's literally like the same darkness, if not a little bit lighter. To be honest, I don't really know. It's so difficult, isn't it? Like, I'll show you. I just took another urine sample from just now, which was probably about a 2-hour hold, maybe slightly less, and I took it with 2 cheapies. One I took this morning, the first morning urine, and one I just took now, and it was a lot darker. I'll insert the photo right here. So basically, I don't think my first morning urine, because it was like an all-night hold, right? So technically it was like last night's wee almost, I don't know. I don't want to be one of these people that like kids themselves. Like, if it's going to be a chemical, it's going to be a chemical, and I need to like prepare. But anyway, so we're going to test again with second morning urine. Please let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer second morning urine or first morning urine. Okay, so it's coming up. I'd also really like to know in the comments down below if you guys have ever had problems with first responses, because I don't know, they're like meant to be the most sensitive, right? But I'm not getting good results with them this time, which is making me think why it's a chemical pregnancy, because the lines aren't really getting that dark. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there for a little bit and then I'll be right back.